So guys, my well is completely shut, haven't had water over the weekend, so the actual good equipment is 2 weeks out. I can't live without the water, so we're gonna pull it out with one of these and try to fix it, replace the pump down there or something, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. I always wonder what is inside there.
Blows out and keeps stuff out of the well. It should have had a vent on it, but we'll put one on it.
We're gonna make it right this time.
Yeah.
It's like what, 20 years old well, so it's about time it's died.
Yeah. Well, I'll get the socket loose now. Any questions?
I guess this got
Yes, if you can pop that socket off. Bolt, rusty bolts.
I have an idea. I should just follow you around and make videos. That sounds like
No.
you have to have so many problems to take care of. And so what are you doing? This is like impact drill?
We're loosening up the plate and the bolt on here, so the rubber seal will let loose when we pull it up.
Okay. Nice.
used to that anymore.
Give it a little oomph.
Seeing as though I work on mostly factory stuff, I don't really have to.
So now I guess they're gonna pull it out. Oh wow, that's it, the pipe? I thought the whole thing was gonna come out. That is cool. So just a PVC pipe in there. Well, that's one way to do it. And at least I'll have water not in 2 weeks or a month. Especially now everybody busy, we'll have it pretty much in 2 days. Is that something you expected to see?
Double line here. Yeah. I
Nice.
cut this wire loose.
What do these wires do?
This runs the pump.
Oh, okay, down below.
Yeah.
Is it like a sump pump? What does it look like?
It's a submersible. It's a long.
Oh, long one. Okay,
yeah,
cool.
Long skinny pump.
Are we gonna see it today?
I hope so. How deep this thing is? I don't know. There's nothing
Oh.
marked.
Yeah, well, we'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. It could be. It's going to be at least 500 to 600 feet. Could be up to 1,000.
Because we're on a mountain?
Well, that and the size of the pump that's in it
Okay.
kind of gives you an idea of what the depth is.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
fun. He have couple of slip knots on the top. By the way, that's not the first time they're doing that, so they tighten it up so that way in case I guess the pipe breaks, the pump doesn't like slip down. So why we tying up the wire?
That way, if for some reason the pipe breaks loose,
Uh-huh.
hopefully they got it strapped off good at the bottom,
Okay.
and it'll catch the pump.
Okay, so that way we're not fully lost. Okay.
Yeah, we don't lose it.
So like fishing.
Yeah. Tied off.
So what are we doing now?
This is a catch plate.
Ah, okay.
What we're going to do is clamp this off, let pressure on it,
Uh-huh.
cut off the pipe.
Ah, and then you tie it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
There's going to be a water slide in it.
You need one of those electronic cutters. I was almost bought some.
I've got one of the big crimpers.
Like on a battery?
Yeah.
Woo!
Come on now. Unless you want to play with the plate. I'll let you do it. I'm just going to get you started. I'm going to hang out on the excavator. Wow, he's working oil field.
So this is about like what, 10 to 12 feet? No, wait, maybe
Yeah, it's about
15.
12, yeah.
12 feet? Okay, so we gotta do it 600 feet like that? So the reason why we have to do it this way, because the actual guys who do the wells with those big heavy machinery are super busy around here, and I would not have water for almost 2 weeks. Like, how do you live without water? It's hard. So he actually gonna do it for me this way. That's what we're doing. So I guess they're gonna tie up another one and pull out another one.
How to tell now that to hold a piece of pipe, right?
I actually didn't know you could do that. I'm actually mind blown right now.
Out on the oil rigs, we use chains.
Yeah, yeah.
Same thing.
So same thing, but a chin.
Get you a screw right there.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Alright, that way we can't lose it. I'll
Yeah.
put some pressure on it, take the last grip off.
600 feet, you're gonna be doing this 60 times. Minimum. Well, that's gonna be pretty repetitive. It's gonna take a couple hours for sure. So maybe I'll start filming when we get to the end to see what's inside of the well. So guys, it's dark now and we might see the pump. Yeah!
Well, we can probably whoop that out with our hands in. Yeah. Grab a hold of it and I'll pick up, just roll it, we'll roll it up there. Got it.
Oh, there's the pump. Like what, 7 hours later?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's huge.
Got it.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Sweet. Yay! There's the pump. Alright, come on down with it. Faster than planned.
Woo! You know, after 7 hours of cutting and pulling pipes, that's very satisfying. We were about to quit. There you go. That's what the pump looked like.
It's a big one.
That's a nice sight to see right there.
Yeah, so is it like 90-pound pump?
Oh yeah, it's heavy. That's a little smaller than some of them I've seen, but it's still under 50, 60 pounds.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's about 50, 60.
So where does it take water from? From the
here.
back? Or from right here?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's it? Cool. There you go. What if you guys wondering what well pump looks like? About 500-600 feet under the ground. So we got a new pump over here. Looks like exactly the same one. And also we got right here all of the new piping. It actually already comes pre-cut. And what is this called?
Coupling. That's stainless steel coupling.
Stainless steel, so that way it's not gonna rust. 700 feet.
680.
There you go.
Right at it.
So prepping and stuff. I wanna see how you're gonna lower it with the excavator.
Oh yeah, it's fun.
Alright, we got a new pump. And we got a heat gun by Craftsman. So you're connecting all the wires together. And
And what is this? It's an antioxidizer. I soak the wires in before I put them in the connector, so any moisture won't corrode it up.
Oh, of course, it'll be underwater too.
Yeah.
That's cool. So what are we doing here?
And this is a torque arrest. Keeps the pump from slapping against the sides and keeps it from twisting.
You know what? When you pulled it
This
out, we
blows
didn't
out.
have that.
No, you didn't have any. You should have several of them in there, or they make a little guides too that you can use to keep it from beating the far out of the pump and the wire.
So people pretty much take shortcut and
Yeah.
make themselves pay a little bit more by not installing all these
Yeah,
things.
and these are not really expensive. They're like 10 to 20 bucks.
But if they don't install it, they pocket it.
Yeah, if they
Pretty
don't
much.
install it, and then your pump doesn't last as long, your wires get wore down, beat up, the pipe gets beat up, everything gets beat up because your pump, when it cuts on, it slams around.
Yeah, so you
And
guys,
this keeps it from slapping.
if you installing one of those, make sure they got one of those installed too.
Yes, make sure you put torque arrest, and usually between 80 and 100 foot, space them out.
Okay,
Keeps it from beating the snot out of it.
good idea. I like it.
Yeah.
So guys, 700 feet deep hole. Woo! Echo! That's awesome. Okay, we got the pulley on a tractor with the safety rope. Hook it up and gonna lower it with the wire, connect to it pipe by pipe. Lower it, screw up the next one, tape it, next one. So they're using safety rope, and I guess they're gonna hook it up to the truck when it's gonna get heavy once all the pipe going in. Yeah.
I've got the rope.
How much is that pound? How many pounds?
Probably 80 pounds.
So, homemade plate.
You got it tied off? No, I'm holding it right now. I'm tied off, so.
So the idea is we got a pulley over there on a tractor excavator, and it's gonna run up to the edge of the truck, because obviously that will not move. So you see how this lip is holding it, and plus the safety rope, so that way it doesn't fall all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, this will be a long drop.
Yeah. Plus the wire is holding it kind of too.
Yeah.
If it has
It would
to.
have a hard time yanking that down the well.
Yeah, it would be. So just put it on top and lift it up and put the next one in. Screw it on with the what do you call it? Glue.
Oh, that'd be a liquid Teflon. Yep.
Liquid Teflon. In short, glue.
Makes it slide, seal.
Slide in it and put it in and screw it on. Okay, and then we gotta tighten it up. You got a loop over there and lowering it slowly. That way he got the tension.
Alright, stop it right there.
And then he stops it and tapes the wire so it doesn't jiggle everywhere. And just like 30 more times.
Well, 31.
31 times like that.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be done the right way, so it's good.
Yeah, it'll keep from beating the wire up. Because we run into a lot of pumps that they don't put the torque arrest or the wire guides on, and it just beats through the wire. Your pump's still fine, but you're having to pay all that expense to get it out of there. And you might as well buy a new pump.
Yeah.
For the expense.
But our pump had 20 years old, so it's about time.
Oh yeah. This one hopefully will last 15 to 20 more years or better.
Probably
We
do
won't have to
better.
worry about the wire getting wore down, or none of the stress on the pipe, because we got the torque arrest on it.
Yep. So you see how it's holding? There's a rope, and it goes in here with 3 loops over here and just a nut. Looking good. And it sits on the rest in case something happens to the rope, it'll catch that.
Yeah,
And it has, in case some happen to the rope and that, still hanging on the wire.
Big roll of
But we don't want to do that because we might damage the wire. But just in case, we can pull it out. Wasn't here how they finished it. Pretty much whenever they got it to the end of the well, they put one of this cup and into the house. So, and now water is ready to go. Obviously all the wires and stuff like that.